All right, it's E from MarketWizards.com and eminywizard.com. And it's almost 11:30 on the 21st of June, 2019. Mining traders use risk capital you can afford to lose. All right, as a wrap, let's quickly review this chart. We've suggested, by the way, anybody that's coming back in, make sure you are paid in this 62 to 63 retest. That was that prior high from yesterday that got broken. And this should be a profit-taking swing. Anybody that played all morning, you should be taking profits, saying, okay, happy I got what I got. I want to take something home. And what I want to do with this chart is show a full frame move. 62 is paid for sure. 62 and a half, 63, anywhere in there. Good fortune below. I'll come back to this in just a second. Here's your 40 back at 61 and a quarter. There's a reactionary trade. The impulse was up, and this is a contra. You should be on a trailer below 62 and a half. There's a retest of that 60, 75, that gap area. 40 back, make sure you're paid if you're short. And I've got the middle right now at 58 and a half. All right, what I'm trying to show with this chart as a wrap up is a full frame move. At your full frame from this 90.63, all the way up to 68.75. The extreme zone is above it, and the extreme zone here is below it. So this worked very nicely. Those of you who have the system, you just plug this into this 9063 into your e-widget, and you do the same thing, or on your spreadsheet, and you do the same thing up here at 68.75. And once you know these numbers, and as the market was flying up here, I was able to hopefully help you guys understand that target zone and a potential resistance. So the half span is here, and this is our flipper, right? This 30 area. And yesterday I felt that the boys had actually averaged themselves into that trade. Remember, we had a 30 low and then we had a 36 low. So they basically averaged in at that gap down here at 33. So the targets for the week, we've gone through the full frame, and that tells me anything more today up here is excessive. So we're going to use that 72 to 75 as our resistance. And anybody wants to trade this afternoon, keep it light. Risk only a small portion of what you've been able to acquire today. And if you haven't got any chips in your pocket yet, then really you're better off just probably cooling your jets and relax. So I hope this explains this system to you. You're looking at the RTH. Here is our middle. Had the retest, and our middle is just below us at 60 and a half. That's a symmetry move, really, from the overnight, from that close. Equidistant move up and down. A lot of times that's a pretty good signal to make sure you take profits. Guys, I hope this help you see a little bit more about some of the things we were looking at. I think that one of the best ideas I had today was let's not fight the system. Try for your half gap and gap, and if we get lucky, then great. But at least we're going with what we believe it gives us better odds over time. Didn't mean it had to work today, but it did. And a reminder, this business is about hard work. It's about pushing buttons, that's for sure, but you have to do the brain work and you have to do your analysis. And then obviously you got to take some action and hopefully put it together. So we'll be wrapping up next week. Monday we'll also be in the Zoom room and then take a few days to clear our heads and come up with another program perhaps. But for now, I would like you to consider that the most important thing you can do is to protect yourself when you are wrong. That's the key. Winners will take care of themselves. All right, catch you guys later into the Slack room. Hope you had a good morning. And I've enjoyed spending some time together with you. You bet, Sanjay. Have a great weekend for those of you taking off. Enjoy it. And we'll see you again Sunday night and obviously Monday. You bet, Don. And thanks for all your posts, guys. You guys are terrific to work with. You really are. Been one of the best groups I've had to work with ever because of the quality of your posts. You can really tell you guys are some pros here. Marcus, be well. And Zeek, as always, thanks for all your help.